Hello and welcome to my stream. I'm taking over for Bears today and I am going to be working on my power cosplay for SakuraCon. I got the wig from Amazon and it came with a couple of these little horns, but they don't really like stay on very well. They're just little clips that were glued onto the bottom. So we 3D printed some new horns and I'm going to use magnets. I'm going to sand them down today, paint them, put magnets on the bottom, so then I can just put the other magnet underneath and just pop on either side. So hopefully they'll stand a lot better than the ones that it came with, and I can maybe use them for another costume. So I got these shoes on Amazon, and so I painted them already with Kix shoe paint. It's like a flexible acrylic paint, and it's great, but the problem is it needs like 60 days to cure, or 30 days or something crazy like that, and the soles are very sticky and they're getting little strings and stuff on them. So I need to repaint over that. So there's like a flexible top coat from Kix that I'm going to be using as well to hopefully seal that. Hopefully it'll dry enough by this weekend that I can run around and stuff in them. I kind of felt that her cosplay would be easy to recreate. Basically it's a white button-up shirt with a black tie and dress pants that she rolls up to the knees. There's a couple iterations of her cosplay. So she has her normal outfit, which is what I just described, with a blue zip-up hoodie. And then in one of the episodes is her and the main character, Denji. They are like trying to fool this guy that's training them. So they're like, oh, we have to be smart. So they're wearing glasses and she has her hair to the side. So I just thought it was really funny. The episode's hilarious, and so I wanted to wear that specific iteration of her outfit without the blue sweater. So with these, I actually I used like fabric marker, opaque paint marker. I did this first just to kind of decide like where I wanted the red and how high up I wanted. And then I went over it with this, which worked out well on the top, but very, very sticky at the bottom. So no, I didn't read the directions. Hopefully it's fine. This looks questionable. Okay, so I think this is... I feel like I just need to keep like... I don't think this is actually going anywhere. Like I keep trying to want to spread out the paint or the top coat, thinking that it's going to smooth it out, and it's just not really working like that. So I'm almost wondering if I should just leave it alone. Okay. I love how I'm like, oh, I need to leave this alone. I'm like, I can't leave it alone. It's driving me crazy. Because right now I'm getting like, I don't know if you can see, kind of weird little chunks forming. Okay, well, I'm just gonna leave it for now. So luckily for the horns, I don't need to sand too much. To add the magnets on first. So I'm going to have the other magnet under the wig, and then just put the horn right on top, and that way I can move it around if I need to restyle the wig or if I want to reuse them on another project. I was thinking of like maybe sewing them into the wig, but then I wouldn't be able to adjust them if I wanted to move them like forward or backwards. Okay, so the magnets worked out really well. How's the shoes looking? It looks better. It's still kind of sticky. I think I just need to wipe off the excess, but I think I'm gonna wait on that as well. So I think I just need to let this sit. I think I will actually paint this other one because even though it looks a little questionable, it is a lot less sticky. This is hilarious. How gross this looks. But I'm really hoping it just dries down, and my main goal is to just reduce the stickiness of the bottom of the shoes. Overall, I'm really happy with them. They're pretty accurate, honestly, from hers. I think I'm gonna be done for now because I have to just waiting game for these things to dry. Thanks for everyone who joined me, the impromptu stream, and we will see you next week back in the bear cave.